Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to use for the first time in my life Crest Whitestrips for my teeth. And actually it's going to be the first time in my life that I'm going to do any kind of whitening to my teeth. So I am very excited. I'm going to share with you my honest review, my full experience, and in the end of the video you will see my before and after. I will update you. I will add photos of how my teeth look after 7 days. So let's jump into the video. If you're new on this channel, welcome. My name is Anna and here I talk about travel, beauty, style, cozy things, beauty routines, hair care tips and so much more. And before we start applying the teeth whitening strips, I wanted to ask you to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It really helps me grow my channel. It really helps me to be seen by YouTube algorithms. Thank you so much, and let's start. First of all, I have to say that I'm definitely not a dentist, I'm definitely not a doctor, and I am not in a position to recommend you this product and tell you that this is healthy. You have to figure it all out by yourself. I'm just going to share with you my results of using Crest whitening strips, and these are the possible results that you can expect after using these strips. And one thing I wanted to mention is that these strips are American Dental Association approved, so they are completely safe to use. And dentists argue, like, they think there are lots of advantages and disadvantages of using teeth whitening strips, but one thing that is certain is that the concentration of those harmful ingredients in teeth whitening strips is so much lower than in the in-office teeth whitening treatment. So you'll probably hurt yourself less if you use this than if you go for in-office treatments. But if you keep on using them a lot, your teeth will probably not be happy and you might damage them and you might hurt yourself. So I'm not in a position to tell you how often to use teeth whitening strips and to go for teeth whitening, but that's just a general conclusion after lots of research. So what I'm planning to do is that I'm planning to use this packaging. If I'm going to come back to it in the future, I don't know, probably really not often, because I really want to keep my teeth healthy as long as possible. So without further ado, let's start. Let's open the packaging. By the way, my teeth whitening strips are called Glamorous White, levels 8 whiter. I got them from iHerb. I'm sure this is not a fake packaging, because if you don't buy your whitening strips by Crest from a trustworthy website, you might get a fake product, and that's just playing with your health. And I always strongly advise you to buy only original products from big trustworthy websites or from like supermarket chains. Never buy products from really like suspicious websites, because you might get a fake product and you might really hurt yourself with that product. So these whitening strips, you're supposed to keep on your teeth for 30 minutes, and there are 28 strips in the box for 14 days. You're supposed to use these strips for 14 consecutive days, and I'm not sure I'm going to use them for 14 days. For now, I'm not sure. I think I will keep on using them for 7 days, and after that, I'll see if I like the results. Maybe I'll keep it at that, and then I'll use the other 7 days, like after 6 months or something. But on the packaging, they say you're supposed to use them for 14 days. I don't know, let's see. Inside of the packaging you have 14 strips like that. You are not supposed to brush your teeth immediately before applying the whitening strips. I just brushed my teeth in the morning today, and that's it. I rinsed my mouth and I'm ready to apply them. We are not supposed to see any kind of results today. People say that they started seeing results after about 2 to 3 days of using Crest whitening strips. By the way, I saw that some dentists suggest that you can cut the strips in 2 so that you have twice more strips, but I think then it's going to be really too small for my teeth. Like, my teeth are not that narrow. Anyway, I'm a little bit worried. I think it can hurt a little bit, but I'll do my best. Let's go. The whitening strips are now removed from my teeth, and now I'm not supposed to eat or drink anything except water for about an hour, and after that I can eat everything, but they advise you to rinse your mouth after you eat, or especially after you drink coffee, or the best way to drink coffee or tea is through a straw. There is almost no result after the first use. Maybe I can see just a little bit of whitening, but it is definitely not even throughout the teeth. What I can say for the future is that I think I might actually cut the strips and concentrate on the most yellow teeth that I have. Like, I think it's common for most people to have their front teeth whiter than their like side teeth right here. So maybe I will just use them here. I'll see. For now, there is nothing bad I can say about the strips. I didn't feel almost anything, like for once, and it lasted for like about a second or two. I felt a little bit of pain on my lower teeth, but it lasted for like a second and then it went away. But throughout this 30 minutes, I didn't feel anything. I was just working on my computer and it was quite comfortable. One thing I have to say, that next time before I apply the strips, I would take a napkin and really dry my teeth as much as possible, because when your teeth are completely dry, it is so much easier to stick the strips to the teeth. And I think that was it. That was my experience. I will now add photos of how my teeth look after 7 days of using Crest strips. I'm really excited to see the results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this, please don't forget to push the like button. Write in the comments below if you have ever tried whitening strips, or if you have ever tried in-office teeth whitening. Please share your experience with me and with other people watching this video. It might be really useful for other people. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.